back with the second part of ideas and activities and games on Christmas. Christmas, the birthday of Jesus Christ. Merry Christmas to you once again, and let's begin with the sixth activity. If you have missed the first 5 activities, do watch part 1 of this video. I'm sure you're going to like it, enjoy it, and put the same into action. Let's begin. The sixth activity is Christmas tongue twisters. You can have fun. You can give these tongue twisters to your friends. If you are a teacher, then to your students, and have them repeated 5 times. You may yourself try it first. Can you do that? Let's try, and let me give you some examples of Christmas tongue twisters. Tiny Timmy trims the tall tree with the tinsel. Can you repeat that? Tiny Timmy trims the tall tree with tinsel. Tiny Timmy trims the tall tree with tinsel. Tiny Timmy trims the tall tree. It may happen, and that's the fun. I'm giving you some more examples on screen. Prancer presents pumpkin pies and presents. Prancer presents pumpkin pies and presents. Frosty froze frequently, furthermore fell on frozen frost, freezing his fiddly thumbs. Frosty froze frequently, furthermore fell on frozen frost, freezing his fiddly thumbs. There's a chimney suit on Santa's suit. There's a chimney suit on Santa's suit. Chilly chipper children chant cheerfully. Chilly chipper children chant cheerfully. So have a lot of fun with these tongue twisters. Got that right. Seventh activity is you can have a quiz wrapped around Christmas on Kahoot. You can either explore the ready-made quizzes there. The good part is they're all free of cost. Or you can create your own quiz at Kahoot. If you do not know how to do that, I am posting the links of Kahoot quiz videos in the description box below. Do have a look, create your quiz around Christmas, and then you may have winners if you are playing in a family or you're playing in class with your students. You may have winners. You can just applaud them, or you can give them e-certificates. The 8th idea is role play an inanimate object, and the condition is that object should be somehow related to Christmas. So children have to play the role, which means they can speak also. It's not just enactment. They can dress up like a bell or a Christmas tree or Santa Claus or the sleigh or Christmas present or a fairy, an angel, anything, but it should be related to Christmas somehow. Then they would act, and they would also speak some lines on what inanimate object related to Christmas they are playing. 9th activity is sentence stem. In this, each member, whether you are playing with your family or in your online class, would get a fixed sentence stem with which they would begin their message. So something that you will tell them will be fixed, and rest of the part they will add. For example, this Christmas I want to extend gratitude to dash, and then they will complete. So everyone would participate. This Christmas I want to extend gratitude to my friend John because so and so. This Christmas I want to extend gratitude to all my viewers for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. So this is how you can go with that. Or the other sentence stem ideas are there on your screen. The 10th and the noblest idea is be a secret Santa to someone. Christmas is all about joy and happiness. And there is no other way to get and experience happiness than sharing it with others. So be a secret Santa to someone. It means that you bring happiness and joy to someone's life, but not by highlighting yourself, by not telling that yes, you are doing that. Quietly be that unsung hero, be that secret Santa. It can bring happiness to anyone. Maybe your mother needs a new watch and you give that present, and it need not be that expensive. It can be as simple as giving a hug to your father and expressing how much you love him and regard him. It could be talking to your friend for a long time, or you have been out of touch, or rebonding with someone you lost contact with. It could be helping someone on the streets. It could be feeding some hungry person. It could be helping any animal. It could be anything. So it's up to you how you secretly help someone and bring happiness to someone else as well as your life. With this, I wind up and thank you all for watching. Once again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I wish the next year, 2021, brings a lot of happiness for you, and the years keep on changing, so they may turn more powerful, more strong, and more joyful to you and for your families. Thank you. This is Priya Handa signing off. May God bless you all.